Good morning, friends. So today is day 2 of my staycation at Westin Hyderabad. So I had a wonderful sleep and now I'm looking forward to another day at Westin Hyderabad. Let's explore more and see what all they can offer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What an amazing way to start your day with some beautiful flowers. So you are at a staycation with your family, enjoying the best for the food and the best of the rooms, and over that so much love and care showering at you that you really start feeling like a queen. And at times I wish my whole life was a staycation, but वो तो possible नहीं है. Whatever it is, I'm going to enjoy my staycation with my family at Westin Hyderabad. So let me choose from one of the restaurants. It's amazing, guys. They have 6 restaurants, so you can choose. Yesterday we had our lunch at Prego. Today I think I'll go to Seasonal Taste. It is an all-day buffet restaurant which has Indian as well as European cuisine and Oriental cuisine. So there's lots to choose from. So let's go and have breakfast there, and then we will go to the poolside and enjoy some pool time, and then I have booked the spa. Let me take you there also. This is the waffle bath and all the fresh baked pastries, pancakes, French toast, and here we have some donuts, muffins and cakes. We have some cold cuts. We also have some healthy salads and cheese. This is a cheese station, and we have some healthy greens. All the salads without any salt. We have a cappuccino machine here. A fresh tea and coffee counter. We are getting filter coffee also here. Have some very healthy cut fruits, and for those who love having cereal in the morning, so we have so many options here. Have fruit compote here. A smoothie and yogurt station. This is the whole fruit section and the fresh juices. So here we have the noodle bar. And today's special is masala bhurji. We have some boiled eggs here, some scrambled eggs, sausages and bacon, Ishan congee. And here we have the porridge, some healthy options, juice and some steamed vegetables. Also have some roasted butter parsley potatoes and baked beans. And here we have idlis, special tadka idlis. Wow, so hot. And some plain idlis. Special is gobi paratha, and they are making the gobi paratha and some vegetable upma. Here we have some healthy poha, vada, sambar. The paratha, paneer masala dosa and puri counter with all the chutneys here. So we have the same buffet arrangement outside also. चलिए जाके देखते हैं. It's so beautiful outside, and I think they have a mini counter here. beautiful early in the morning. So outside they have a area where you can sit and enjoy the breakfast near the pool. You can see the pool at the back, and it looks so beautiful early in the morning and so peaceful here. We have daily treats, and you get all baked items here, sandwiches, cakes and pastries, all fresh stuff here. So let's have a look. So starting the day with a cup of cappuccino, healthy quinoa salad for me, and some fresh cut fruits, and we have some yogurt based and fresh drinks. Here we have sweet lassi, and this is ABC juice, that is apple, carrot and beetroot juice. And then we have some yogurt based strawberry drink, and here we have a healthy green drink. So this is a mix of spinach and cucumber. We have bersha muesli made with oats, fruits, nuts and fresh cut fruits. Then here we have pancakes, waffles, some Indian spread like vadas, idlis, upma, mini dosa, sambar, and 3 different types of chutneys. Some sunny side up and country rye bread, a very healthy option for breakfast. So the chef has made so many things, and now I'm going to do justice and I'm going to try out each and everything. So let me start with the Indian spread. Healthy upma. Check out this quinoa salad. It looks very interesting. Perfectly done. I'm loving it. Actually, there's so many options to choose from here. So most of the things on my table are very healthy and very tasty. So let me try the waffles. So let me try the healthy yogurt based drink. It's actually very nice. So there are no words to describe this breakfast. Everything is very, very, very tasty and very nicely prepared and very healthy. So let me eat in peace now, and I'll meet you after the breakfast. So all of you have seen my room. So I'll show you another room here. This room is a terrace room. So let me show you this room. You'll get an idea if in case you would prefer staying in this type of a room. Let's begin the room tour. Okay, this is a storage closet, and you can put all your luggage here. Space is there, lots of space is there, and you can hang a few clothes, and all your suitcases can come here. And then we come here. So we have a coffee machine here, a small refrigerator, and this is the dining space where you can sit with your family, enjoy your meals. And on this side we have the washroom, and it has a bathtub, as well as a shower cabinet. And then we come to this beautiful bedroom. and seating area, a work desk, TV, and then this is the view. So you have a balcony here. Let me open the balcony. So this is the view you get from here. And you have 2 chairs here to sit and enjoy the view. So the flooring is wooden. And यहाँ से भी view है. So I hope you like this room. It's good for a family, and the view is amazing, and the room is quite big. So I'm just back in the room, and oh my god, so beautiful. It's looking so beautiful. They clean the room, and there is a note also here. And this is from Atin. Thank you, Atin. And this towel art is beautiful. Let me show you. This is the pool at Westin Hyderabad. So here they serve you food in case you want to enjoy the food in the pool. So you can sit on these stools and enjoy the food in the sunken pool. This is the kids pool area, and then here the depth is not too much, so the kids can enjoy. Water looks so clean. Then in the middle of the IT park, we have such a beautiful green garden here, an open green space. And here, just where the pool ends, we have a very beautiful seating area. This looks so beautiful. And you can sit here and watch the pool. Your kids swimming there. Lovely. So this is the spa, and I'm going to take a spa treatment from them. spa was such an amazing experience, and I had such a relaxing time. So, in case you are visiting Westin, you do try out the spa. So, now let's go and explore some more of Westin Hyderabad.